but I'm still holding on to this fantasy. Oh, I'm still holding on to what will never be.
What an opportunity, elevated acreage living here in the Riemore Estate on a completely private street. Head inside, check this one out.
The ultimate entertainer's home with 5 bedrooms, 4 living spaces and an outdoor area, superb.
Now there's a lot to see in this home, but out the back is truly spectacular. Over 2.5 acres of land, an amazing view, big shed and a pool, but really you've got to come and see this one to really understand what's here. See you then.